Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, This Curvi Yogi. I am Jakita, and today is day number 14 of our 30 Days of Yoga Challenge. And today we will be focusing on twist. And twists help us to maintain a healthy spine, and they also help to stretch out the muscles in our back. So what you'll need for today's practice is your yoga mat and 2 yoga blocks. And if you don't have yoga blocks, I always say that you can use a disinfectant wipe container or 2 of them. So grab those things and we'll get started. So we're going to start at the top of the mat in Tadasana, and I'm just going to move one block over to the side so that we can use it later in the practice. Let's go ahead and have your feet parallel to one another. Lift the toes, make sure the ball and the heel are grounded down. Maybe lift the arched chest a little bit and then replace the toes back down. You feel the legs start to engage the calves. Take your shoulders up towards your ears and then roll them down and back as you open your chest. And let your hands rest down by your side. We'll start with our 3 breaths, inhaling through our nose, exhaling through the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale and exhale. One more time, inhale and exhale. From here, we're going to inhale as you bring our arms out and up. On the exhale, we're going to sit into a chair pose. So bend the knees, send the hips back. Arms are in line with your spine. Hold here and breathe. And then go ahead and bring your hands to your heart here. We're going to come into a twisted chair pose. So take an inhale. On the exhale, twist to your left. And you may find that your right elbow finds the outside of your left knee. And that is okay. If it doesn't, that is okay as well. Focus on the twist, keeping your left shoulder open. And then from here, we're going to step back into a twisted lunge. So lift your right heel and then step it back. And take your time here. You may have to balance a little. And then go ahead and plant the back foot down. Keep it bending in the front knee. Reach the arms up, coming to our high lunge or our warrior one here. And then go ahead and straighten this front leg. We're going to turn to face the long edge of the mat. And you want to have your feet parallel to one another, coming into a wide stance. From here, we're going to come into a goddess pose. So think about turning your toes slightly out to the sides of the mat or to the corners of the mat. And then on the inhale, we're going to reach our arms up. On the exhale, you're going to bend the knees out to the sides, bring the hips down, and then bend at the elbows, coming into your goddess pose. And you can come down as far as you like here. Inhale up. Exhale down. From here, take your left arm, reach it over to the right. Take your right arm, reach it over to the left. So this is helping in our twist, keeping our chest open, turn to the side. It's a lot going on here, I know. Inhale, straighten the legs, reach the arms up. Exhale, back to your goddess pose. This time bringing the right arm over to the left arm over to the right. Breathe. Inhale, standing up. Exhale, goddess pose. One last time. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, arms down, or you can put your hands at your hips. So we're going to turn this left foot towards the right, and then turn the right foot all the way to the right. And then we're going to bend the knee and come into our warrior one on this side. Breathe here. And then go ahead and lift that back heel. So you're on the ball of the left foot. Bring your hands to your heart. Take an inhale here. On the exhale, you're going to twist to your right. So again, you may find that the left elbow comes to the outside of the right knee. And if not, just focus on the twist, keeping the chest open and the right shoulder open. And then stepping forward to your chair pose, still in your twist. Breathe here. And then coming to our traditional chair pose. You can reach the arms up if you like. Inhale as you stand. Exhale, arms down by your side. And we're going to end here with our 3 deep breaths. Inhaling through the nose, exhaling out of the mouth. So let's inhale together. Open the mouth and exhale. Inhale. And exhale. One last time, inhale. And exhale. Thank you for joining me today for our yoga practice centered around twist. And I would love to know how you felt after this practice. And that's it. I will see you all tomorrow for day number 15 of our 30 Days of Yoga Challenge.